Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today I'm going to show you one of our nicest of the mini birds that we have in inventory right now. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to look at probably one of the prettiest 57 Thunderbirds we have had in our inventory in a long time. What's better than a black car, absolutely straight, clear coat, just as nice as you could ever ask for, and it's right here in our showroom floor right now. The chrome work on this car is also impeccable, just really well done. It's one of those cars that, you know, to restore today would cost twice as much as we have it for sale for. But this one is ready to go, turn the key and drive away. It does have the 312 V8. Nice options were brought with this car when it was ordered new. It came with power steering, power brakes, and I believe even power windows. So it was a very, very nicely loaded car. And that also makes it a little more enjoyable to drive with today's comparative cars to the 1957 models. The other thing that has been a vast improvement on these old cars is the invention of the wide white walls with the radial tires, which this car happens to have, and it has the wire wheels on top of it. So a black car with the chrome wire wheels, white walls, I mean, it sets itself apart from any other car out there. This car comes with a hardtop, which was one of the options that they came with. So if you want to have the convertible look, you just simply unhook a few things here and there on the inside, set the top off, and now you have a convertible. Beautiful black and white interior as well. This is an automatic with a center shifter on the floor. Everything in the dash is as original with a nice padded dash as well. So this car is just one of those cars that if you're looking for a 57 Thunderbird, the last of the mini birds, and I think one of the prettiest models that they ever came out with, we have one right here at Ellingson's in Rogers, Minnesota. You can come and look at it in person if you're in the neighborhood. We are happy to have you come in Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. We'll have you come in and personally look at it. If you can't do that, you can go online and you can find it on Facebook, the Instagram, and YouTube as well, or our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. So currently we have close to 100 collector cars of every sort on our sales room floor, from the 57 Thunderbirds to the Resto Mod cars, the Street Rods, and other bone stockers as well. So if you're looking for an old car to add to your collection, or you're looking for your very first one, we probably have the car you need in your garage right here at Ellingson's.